business, especially as a solopreneur, makes it hard to stay in control of all of the tasks that you're in charge of within your business. When you lean into boosting your productivity with a few of the productivity hacks that I talk about today, you'll find you can be more productive when you're juggling the many different tasks in your business or even in your personal life. You may be managing a team, handling clients, or one of 100 different other tasks, all while trying to find a small piece of time for yourself. This is common when you own your own business, but you want to make sure that you aren't getting burnt out when you're consistently trying to squeeze more out of each day. In today's podcast episode, I'm talking about practical strategies that business owners have used to increase their productivity. Whether you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant. It doesn't matter if you have a team to manage or not. These hacks will certainly help you get more done in less time. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created 2 options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. When I talk about productivity hacks, I hope that you're already starting to think about time management. If not, I want you to start thinking about it. Without adequate time management, all of the tasks that you have to do in your business or even in your personal life can become overwhelming and could lead to burnout or inefficiency. This is often the case when I'm working with my clients who are struggling with work-life balance. One way to help with your time management is to take some time either at the beginning of every day, or maybe you could do this at the beginning of every week. Take a look at all the tasks you need to get done, prioritize them, and then schedule them into your calendar. Yes, I mean actually find a time in your calendar to make the time to do all of the tasks that you want to get done in that time period. This doesn't mean that you should be scheduling every single item on your to-do list, though. I want you to really think about each item you schedule into your calendar. Is it really a priority? Is it going to move the needle in your business? Is it actually something you even need to be doing in your business? If not, it's time to make a decision if you really need to be doing it. If it isn't something that's going to help you reach your goals, think about why it's on your to-do list in the first place. Decide if you want to do it now, later, or if it's something you never need to do. Also, make sure that you're scheduling your personal time. I actually recommend that you schedule this time first. When I work with clients, they often tell me they have so much to do that they don't have time for their personal life. When you schedule your personal time first and then your work tasks, you'll always be able to spend the quality time that you want with your family and your friends. You'll find that when you schedule your tasks, you'll be more efficient and still have the time for your personal life. If you struggle with prioritizing your tasks, I want you to think about them in a matrix. Each of the tasks that you want to get done should also be aligned with your goals. I like to ask my clients to go through their tasks and label them easy and hard, and then go through and see which ones will make a big impact in their business, all the way down to the ones that won't make a big impact in their business. Then go back and prioritize the tasks that are easy and will make a big impact, all the way down to the tasks that are hard and won't make an impact on their business. This will give you a good idea of where you should start. It will also help when you're calendaring each of these tasks to do. If you have an easy task that will make a big impact, you'll know how much time it will take to get that task done, and you'll know it'll make a big impact in your business. Remember, to do this, you need to get all of your tasks down on paper. So many of the clients that I work with have all of these tasks in their head. This alone causes them a lot of overwhelm, and when they take the time to write all of their tasks down and get them all out of their head, they already feel a sense of relief about what they need to get done in their business. Next, let's talk about effective delegation. When you're able to delegate tasks to others, you can often eliminate bottlenecks in your business. Delegating is not only something that business owners with employees or a team can do. If you're a solopreneur, you can also delegate things like your bookkeeping to an outsourced bookkeeper. When you're able to focus on higher level tasks or tasks that align with your strengths, you're able to be much more productive. As you work through your task list, start to think about which items you'd like to delegate to others, or which tasks you need to delegate to others because it's not one of your strengths. I often see business owners who make the decision to delegate certain tasks feel a sense of relief when they not only don't have this item on their list and taking up precious time on their calendar, but they know it's getting done better than they knew they could have done it themselves. They often see areas of their business flourish when they delegate these tasks to others. So let me ask you, what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think about delegating even one single item in your business? How much time would you free up to work on higher priority tasks in your business? What are you waiting for? Why haven't you already delegated these tasks to someone else? Another thing that you may want to try in your business is to implement a project management system or software which will enhance collaboration, streamline workflows, and improve your efficiencies. Lastly, I want to talk to you about building a productive mindset. Your mindset plays a pivotal role in productivity. A positive, growth-oriented mindset can help you overcome obstacles and stay focused on your goals. Some of the clients that I have helped in this area have struggled with procrastination and self-doubt. By working with me to shift their mindset, they're able to overcome these challenges and become highly productive, which in turn helps them to meet their goals and grow their business. Take a minute and think about a time when your mindset was not positive when it came to doing a task. You may have been thinking things like, it's going to be too hard, it's going to take too long, or maybe even, I'm not sure how to even get started. When I'm working with my clients and they're thinking these thoughts, it does make it harder to get things done. But when we really start looking into a task and breaking it down into smaller tasks that they know they can do, their mindset shifts to thinking things more like, of course I can get this done. I know exactly what I need to do next. And even, I might not know how to do this yet, but I'm learning and I know exactly where I need to go to get all the details. Now, doesn't this sound like something you could do as well? Having the right mindset will not only help you be more efficient, but your overall well-being will be improved as well, since you won't have as much stress or anxiety to deal with on a daily basis. Motivation is another big area I work with my clients on. I'm always helping my clients visualize their goals. They celebrate every win along the way, and I help them stay accountable for the goals that they're setting for themselves. Don't wait for motivation to start moving towards your goals. Once you start working towards them, you'll find more motivation to keep you on track. Determination is going to be the key in staying on course to achieve the goals that you set for yourself and your business. Implementing one of these productivity hacks in your business or your personal life will definitely have an impact. Which do you think you would like to start with? Do you think you would benefit by improving your time management skills, delegating, or creating a more productive mindset? Is there anything that you struggle with when you think about these 3 productivity hacks? If you'd like some help in any of these areas in either your business or your personal life so that you can relieve the stress, anxiety, or overwhelm that you're currently feeling, I'm here to help you. Having an accountant and certified life coach like me can provide you with valuable insights and ideas to help you simplify your business, which enables you to go back to enjoying your business like you originally thought you would when you first started it. I work with business owners and accountants to create actionable steps that they need to take to ultimately achieve their goals while getting relief from the stress and overwhelm they feel from the pressure of owning a business, deadlines, and the workload that they face every day. If you're struggling with this as well and would like some help developing a solution, help strengthen and maintain your emotional health, increase your well-being, create a more positive, happy, and joyful life, set and achieve your goals, and manage your relationships, I'd love for you to join me in my Balanced Life Coaching program so that you can live a more purposeful life. Each week, we meet privately, one-on-one, and you get to bring whatever is on your mind on any given week. It could be your highest priority that you want to work on, whatever you want more of in your life, or if there's something that's weighing on you heavily that you need coaching on, and we'll work through it together. Having a certified life coach like me helping you through all of this allows you to feel so seen and cared for, and the results are amazing. Everyone benefits when they work with a certified life coach. After every call, you feel energized, and you know exactly what to do for the week to come, and relief knowing that we're going to meet again the next week to go over anything that comes up after the call. You'll gain self-awareness while you take each step towards your goals. The investment in this program is an easy yes for you. I've set this program up in the most supportive way. If you're ready to join the Balanced Life Coaching Program, you can go to financialadventure.com and click on the Work With Me button. You'll see the link to join as well as additional information about the program. Sign up now. There are limited spots available for this program due to the one-on-one aspect, and it does sell out. If the payment link is gone, you can get on my wait list to join the program when additional spots are available. I help people get results and live a more joyful life. I coach everybody on everything. Everyone has something that they want in their lives, and I help them get it. I know this is something that you've been waiting for. I've been asked by many of my listeners to create this exact program. The faster you get access to the program, the quicker you'll see the possibilities available to you. I also have a risk-free guarantee. I believe so strongly that everyone benefits from coaching that when you sign up today, if for any reason you're not satisfied with your first session, you can send us an email and we'll refund you immediately. Are you ready to enjoy your life now? Why would you want to wait? Make this investment for yourself. Take the journey with me. Make it happen for yourself. Ask yourself why you need this program in your life right now. Are you ready to make bigger, bolder, stronger life goals? I'm looking forward to meeting with you soon and digging deeper to see where you currently are in your business or your career and start creating actionable steps so that you can reach your vision and your goals for the future, not only in your business or your career, but also in your personal life. I'm ready to work with you, see all of your successes, and watch you thrive in your business or career while creating your best work-life balance. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and accountants where you're listening to this podcast. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.